Scott, this has been a really fun stock to watch develop over the past year. And right now, it looks like coming into the report, the tilt is to what? Somewhat bearishness?
Yeah, I think so, Oliver. I mean, you just look at where the core of their business is, and they're very international. And, you know, the slowdown, the global growth issues that we're seeing will directly affect their results. If they happen to come out with something positive, you know, that will be a major, major surprise to the upside. Technically, things are not looking great, and fundamentally, things are not looking great for this report here. So that's why I'm looking at a downside option play.
All right, it's been rallying a little bit into the earnings, though. We're at 127 bucks, so it's pretty solidly off the lows, but, you know, so is the market. We don't know what's what here. How are you expressing this view, Scott?
Yeah, so if you look at the market maker expected move just to the end of the day tomorrow, it's about $9 or so. You know, pretty hefty move, about 8% or something like that. So with where the stock is now, you take that move, which is plus or minus, could be up or down. I'm playing it to the downside. So there's really an expected range to the downside that the market's pricing in to about 118 or so. I can buy the 123, 118 put spread, $5 wide put spread for somewhere around $1, maybe a little bit more than that, depending, you know, where the stock is. But that was, you know, with Expedia trading around 127, that's phenomenal reward to risk. If I'm getting 4-to-1 reward to risk on a move that I believe is going to be to the downside, and I'm playing it to what the, you know, option market expected move is, I'm going to take that trade all day long. Worst thing that happens, Oliver, if I don't get a move to 122, which would be my break even, I know what my loss would be. It's $1. It's completely risk defined, but I love the reward to risk opportunity on this.
So this is something that you're basically going to wait, what, just for the post-earnings reaction, Scott, or you give it time to play out?
That's it.
All right.
One-day trade. I'm doing it for this week. It's completely a one-day trade, make or break, but I'm basing it all on that reward to risk. I'm willing to risk that $1 in the hopes that I make the full put spread or some portion thereof.
All right. He's in and he's out. Single day on the Expedia trade. Scott Bauer, great stuff joining us from the CBO. Looking forward to those earnings. We're going to talk about them this afternoon.